It is an honor to present at iSCSi. My name is Hyun Jo. I am a PhD in Management Engineering. Here is South Korea. I'm conducting research at a company called Realsecu. Our company provides services related to general IT, security consulting, and security systems. Today's research title is Success Factor of Smart Factory, a moderating role of commitment to learning. The order of the presentation is as follows. First, the introduction, and second is related work. Third, hypothesis. Fourth, methodology, and fifth, results, and finally, the conclusion will be shown. This is a research background and introduction. With the first industrial revolution, various new information technologies have been created and disseminated. In particular, several manufacturing enterprises have introduced the smart factories. The smart factory is a manufacturing solution that provides flexible production processes that solve problems arising on production facility with rapidly changing boundary conditions. The global smart manufacturing market was valued at about $88 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $228 billion by 2027. A great body of work on IS success has introduced satisfaction as a measure of success of information systems. Satisfaction is defined as the information system users' perception of the degree to which their goals have been met. Hence, this study employs satisfaction to measure the success of smart factory from the perspective of the user view. A multitude of studies has reflected system quality, information quality, and service quality as the key determinants of satisfaction or behavioral intention. It was pointed out that system quality and information quality are significantly related to continuous intention through perceived usefulness in the context of the smart factory. Hence, this study postulates that system quality, information quality, and service quality would enhance the level of satisfaction. The smart factory works across the whole enterprise, thus the organizational atmosphere may serve as an important factor in operating a smart factory well. It was validated that organizational support plays a pivotal role in improving the level of implementation of the smart factory. For these reasons, this study clarifies the roles of commitment to learning in shaping satisfaction and moderating the effects of system quality, information quality, and service quality on satisfaction. System quality reflects the expected characteristics of an information system such as reliability, availability, and usability. It has been figured out that system quality serves as the predominant factor in shaping satisfaction in the context of various information systems. Therefore, this study postulates that system quality significantly influences satisfaction. The next one is information quality. Information quality represents the desirable characteristics for the output of information system, including accuracy, completeness, and relevance. The higher the quality of the information, the easier it would be for users to conduct their tasks, in which in turn may promote satisfaction. As such, this research suggests that information quality significantly impacts satisfaction. Next one is service quality. Service quality is defined as the quality of the support that system users get from the information system department and IT support personnel. The smart factory is an enterprise-wide information system and requires organizational change. It needs a completely different operating method from the existing process. Therefore, this research expects that service quality has a significant effect on satisfaction. Commitment to learning is justified as the extent to which an organization values and facilitates learning. The more organizations put on learning, the easier it would be for workers to embrace and learn smart factories. Commitment to learning may accelerate the adaptation to the smart factory and reduce residence. Therefore, this study hypothesizes the significance of commitment of learning on satisfaction and its moderating effects as following 4 relationships. This study surveyed users who had been working in a smart factory. All question items were adopted from previously validated studies on information system and smart factories. Each item was measured based on a 7-point Likert type scale. The subjects were mainly manufacturers of network, telecommunication, and security equipment. After removing insincere responses, a total of 160 responses were used for the final analysis. The table presents detailed demographic information of the respondents. This study analyzed the data by using partial list scale structural equation modeling. PLS method offers scientific soundness and has been extensively used as a tool in the information system field. This study confirmed the reliability and validity of the measurements. To verify the reliability, composite reliability, Cronbach alpha, average variance extraction were calculated. As shown in table, CR, Cronbach alpha, and AVE scores of the factors were deemed to show satisfactory levels, indicating high constructor reliability. Convergent validity is satisfied when the factor load of each indicator is over 0.7. As all factor loadings were greater than the cutoff point, convergent validity was ensured. Next is about discriminant validity. Discriminant validity is acceptable because the square root value of AVE for all factors exceeded the correlation value for that column or row. This study evaluates the structural model by using a bootstrapped resampling method with 500 resamples. A figure displays the main pass coefficients among the constructs and endogenous variances. The proposed model accounted for about 67% of the variance in satisfaction. The findings show satisfaction is significantly influenced by information quality, service quality, and commitment learning. Moreover, the results proved that commitment learning moderates the both effects of information quality and service quality on satisfaction. This study identified the success factors for real users of smart factories. And this paper reveals the moderating effect of commitment to learning. These interesting results could be explained by the reason that creating an atmosphere of learning for workers excessively would undermine satisfaction. Workers may already receive sufficient help from the service support team and learn about smart factories enough. And the results showed that information quality, service quality, and commitment to learning play a significant role in the formation of satisfaction. This study collected samples from only one country, South Korea, so future works can gather data from the various countries. Thank you very much.